Shapes, shapes, everywhere shapes. Shapes are everywhere and everywhere there are shapes. Shapes, shapes, everywhere shapes. Shapes are everywhere and everywhere there are shapes. Right? That's what we've been studying. We're in geometry right now. That's our unit right now. And we are knee deep in polygons right now. We are up to our knees in polygons right now. Who can tell me what a polygon is? Right. A shape made from line segments that is closed. It's a closed shape made with line segments. So it's very straight lines that are closed. Oh, whoa, that almost poked me in the head. I think it's a polygon. Look there. This beautiful picture in my dining room, I think is a polygon. Why is it a polygon? What type of polygon is it? Ooh, we could classify it in all sorts of ways. So first of all, I think it's a quadrilateral. How did I know that? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That makes it a quadrilateral, so it falls under that category. I also think it is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, perpendicular sides that make 90-degree angles, and 2 pairs of equal sides. So this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. I don't think it is a special rectangle called a square, because we know with that, all sides would be equal. How could I find that out? I'd have to measure it, wouldn't I? All right. So that shape just snuck up on us. Hey, I think I see another shape over here on my door. Shh, it might be sleeping. Let's don't wake it up. I think it is a rectangle. How do I know it's a rectangle? Straight lines, closed shape, and the angles come together with perpendicular lines that make 90 degrees. I think it's a rectangle too. Perpendicular, straight across, straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And each corner, each angle, each vertex makes a right angle. So let's go over those lines, okay? When we say perpendicular, perpendicular lines look like this. The letter T, upside down T, or top side up T. Parallel lines run parallel. They never intersect. Intersecting lines intersect. They cross each other. Okay? Very important when we start to get into shapes. So let's go over that again. Perpendicular, straight up and down, and they make 90-degree angles in the corners, in the vertexes. Okay? Now, can perpendicular lines intersect? You betcha. This is what it would look like. Straight up, straight across, intersecting, and perpendicular if they make a 90-degree angle. How many 90-degree angles did I make just now? Right, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or if we wanted to go in our quadrants, let's see how you see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember our quadrants? When we were plotting points? Those are perpendicular lines in the middle, okay? Those make 90-degree angles that are found in rectangles and special rectangles called squares, okay? Parallel, run parallel. Whew. Never intersect. Ever, ever, promise. Intersecting lines intersect. They cross, okay? Nice job. All right, moving on. Shapes, shapes, everywhere shapes. Shapes are everywhere and everywhere there are shapes. Isn't that true? Are you seeing them everywhere now? Can you not see them? I'm seeing them everywhere. I love shapes. I have shapes on my shirt. I have shapes on my door. I have shapes on my wall. I have shapes in my computer. I have shapes right here. And this package of napkins, that's a shape. I measured it. It's a square, a special rectangle called a square. Perpendicular perpendicular lines, making a 90-degree angle there. All right, I want to tell you about some very special polygons. Now look at this word, hexagon. Hex, X, G, N. Hexagon. Chunk it. Hex, gone. Let's break it down. Hex means 6. It's a fancy math word for 6. Okay? The next chunk, gon, I think you know, polygon, means shape. So break it down. Hexagon is a 6-sided shape. Nice job. Okay? 6-sided shape looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6-sided shape is a hexagon. Good job. Pentagon. Break it down. Pentagon. Pentagon. Pent means 5. Gon means shape. Polygon, pentagon, 5-sided shape. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these special polygons, we can call them by their name by how many sides they have. Pentagon has 5, hexagon has 6. Okay? I want you to be looking around to see how many different pentagons and hexagons are around. They're everywhere. And now that you're tuned in and turned on to them, I want you to tell me about how many you find, okay? Nice job. So that is some review on polygons and lines.